Whenever I buy a new hard drive, I like to take my old one and put it in a little hard drive enclosure. This is a little inexpensive 2.5-inch hard drive enclosure from Newegg, and it's called Orenco. And these only cost about $20. So if you have an extra hard drive, you can always put it in an enclosure and back up your files with it. And this is one of the computers I built right here. And what always floors me is when I plug this kind of stuff into the stuff that I put together, you instantly discover all kinds of weird, bizarre stuff. So I plugged this hard drive in. I just plugged it in. It's got a USB cable adapter, and it will discover the hard drive in a minute. But wait till you see all the stuff that pops up. It's insane. I'm gonna make sure I have it plugged in right here. Alright, so that's plugged in, and it'll come up. Okay, so one drive comes up, and they always put these hidden partitions on these factory laptops. Kaspersky just came out with the thing about the hard drives having something flashed in the BIOS. But look at this. When I plug it in, 4 more hard drives pop up. And one of them's recovery, but there's like 3 other partitions on there. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the disk drive manager. Just get rid of all this stuff. Okay, so we got one partition. Recovery is 1.86 gigabytes. System K is 165 megabytes. It's not too large. Local disk is 53 gigabytes, and HP Tools is 89 gigabytes. So, I mean, it's like a pretty sizable hard drive, and it's just loaded with partitions and when you use a laptop, you can't see or access any of the partitions, so they're not any good. It's better just to put in a new hard drive sometimes, which you have to do eventually, and then put the other hard drive in an enclosure or something. But I'm going to go up here, system and security, I guess. It'll take me a minute. Administrative tools, and we're going to create format hard drive partitions. And all kinds of stuff is going to come up here. It's going to be like J through L, K. So I'm using F right now. I'm backing up stuff on F, and then K through N, K, L, M, N. We're going to delete all those partitions and make one big hard drive, and we'll see if we delete all these partitions how many hard drives we have left. So we're going to delete K, M, what a mess. K, we're going to delete M, we're going to delete N. I'm going to go back and check, make sure we're not deleting the one we got. And 2 of these main hard drives I'm using are 1 terabyte hard drives, and we're going to delete L. Delete L. And that should give us something here. Disk 6. So disk 6 with all the hard partitions removed is going to be 236 gigabytes. We're going to check the properties out, make sure there's no more hidden partitions on there. So we're looking at maybe a 250 gigabyte hard drive. I'm going to format that and create a new partition. Well, I'm off to do that. Just thought it was interesting. Be back later.